What's going on, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews, and today we're going to be checking out the Burchtree Bladeworks Secant. Now, this is 100% a sleeper knife, as I just found out about it about 2 weeks ago, something like that. But man, am I impressed by this bad boy. Riot actually did the build by it, and they absolutely killed that hollow grind. I love a good hollow ground Tonto, but when it's a harpoon and it looks like that, yeah, that is just absolutely beautiful. Anyway, the blade is made from M390 and it has this titanium bolster lock handle. Now it does have carbon fiber scales covering that lock bar, which I absolutely love that about it. Pocket clip is made from titanium and it is tip up right hand carry only. Now all of the hardware is made from stainless and this bad boy is running on bearings. So it is super smooth, drops shut, Spidey flicks with ease. I mean, this knife is on point. I literally don't have any bad things to say about it. Anyway, the overall length is 7.45 inches. The blade is 3.125. The width is 1.25 with a thickness of 0.15. Now, the handle length is 4.30. The width is 1 inch. The thickness is 0.505. And let's get a weight on this bad boy here. Tear this out. 4.350. Man, that is a great weight, especially for being a little fat boy like this. You know, it is somewhat short, but man, this is a chunky little knife. A little fat boy, if you will. I absolutely love this thing, and 100% could I recommend this at being $350? Yes, it is awesome. Anyway, compared to the Benchmade Mini Freak, you can see it's, I don't know, maybe about a 1/4 inch bigger than the Mini Freak compared to the Super Freak. You can see it's about an inch shorter than the Super Freak. Anyway, it is a great EDC size, and to be honest, I've never heard of Burchtree Bladeworks before this knife, but I'm definitely not going to forget them. Anyway, definitely check them out if you can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.